delivering quality education, expanding access to learning. The official TV-based instruction of Tagum City. This is Tagum City Division's DepEd TV. Tara na!
Little scientist, how are you today? I hope that you are all just fine and doing great while studying at home. Are you ready for our new lesson today?
Welcome to another fun and exciting learning adventure. We are glad to be with you today and be part of your learning adventure in exploring the wonders of science world. I am Teacher Kenneth.
And I am Teacher Giselle. And we are your science teachers for today. Before we start, do you have with you your pen, your notebook, and your module? That's great! Come, let's start exploring!
Welcome to Science 4 Module 4 for 3rd quarter. At the end of the session, you will be able to describe how light and sound travel using various objects and investigate properties and characteristics of light and sound.
Let's try to answer some questions to test your previous knowledge. I will give you 5 seconds to answer each question. Are you ready?
Number 1. All the following are good examples of insulator, except A. Wood, B. Spoon, C. Cloth, and D. Rubber band. Your timer starts now. Time is up! What is your answer? You got it right! The answer is letter B, spoon. Let's proceed to number 2. Number 2. Which action can transfer the greatest amount of heat? A. Rubbing your hand. B. Drying of clothes. C. Burning of wood. D. Lighting of candle. Your timer starts now. Time's up! The correct answer is letter C. Burning of wood. Number 3. It refers to the passing of light through some materials. A. Translucent. B. Refraction. C. Reflection. D. Transmission. Your timer starts now. Time's up! Correct! The answer is letter D. Transmission.
Did you remember now your previous lesson? That's great! I am happy to know that you've learned a lot of things from your previous lesson. I know that you are very much excited now, so be comfortable on your seats and ready yourself for our learning adventure is about to begin. Are you ready, kids? Come! Let's start our adventure in 3, 2, 1. Now, let me ask you a question. How do we see things around us? You will probably say that it is the eyes that help us to see the objects around us. But will your eyes be able to see these objects in the dark? No, we need light to see things. Without light, we cannot see the objects. But where is the light coming from? They are coming from luminous objects. Luminous are objects which emit their own light, such as light bulb, the sun, and the stars. What about non-luminous objects? Non-luminous objects are objects that do not emit their own light, such as objects that made up of wood, plastic, cotton, and metal. What about the moon and the planets? Do they emit their own light? No, they are non-luminous objects. But if the moon is non-luminous, then how come we are able to see it at night? This is because of reflection of light. Reflection of light can simply be referred to as change in direction of light or bouncing of light from some surface, and when this light reaches our eyes, we see that objects. This is the reason why we see non-luminous objects. Now, have you tried putting a pencil in a glass of water? Have you observed that the pencil appears bended inside? That is because of the refraction of light. Refraction of light occurs because light bends as it passes from one substance to another. As you look at the ball pen in the water, the light above the water travels through the air while the light under the water slows down as it travels in denser medium. This will cause the ball pen to appear bent at the water surface but remain straight when you took it out of the glass.
Thank you, Teacher Giselle. Light and sound are similar in the sense that both are forms of energy that travel in waves. Although light can travel through an empty space, sound can only travel through a medium or substance such as solid, liquid, or gas. When substances hit materials, they cause vibrations. If your ear is within the range of vibrations, you can hear the sound. When the vibrations are fast, you hear a loud sound. When vibrations are slow, they create a soft sound. The softness and loudness of sound is called volume. A sound wave travels at different speed through different media. If it hits a hard and smooth surface, the wave reflects. That means that the sound bounces back. The sound wave that bounces back is called echo. Is it clear to you now the properties and characteristics of sound and light? Great job! I hope you grasp the important details of our lesson for today. And I am sure that you can answer all the activities in your module. This time, let's practice your learnings today.
Direction. Rearrange the letters to form the mystery words. I will give you 5 seconds to answer each item. Number 1. Your clue is the sound wave that bounces back. Your timer starts now. Time's up! What is your answer? The correct answer is echo. Very good! Number 2. Your clue is, it is produced when things move back and forth or vibrate. Time's up! The correct answer is sound. You're great! Number 3. Your clue is the softness or loudness of a sound. What is your answer? The answer is volume. You got it right! Number 4. Your clue is light bounce back from a surface. What is your answer? The correct answer is reflection. Fantastic! Number 5. Light bends as it passes from one substance to another. What is your answer? The correct answer is refraction. Very good!
Direction. Read the questions carefully and choose the letter of the best answer. You have 5 seconds to answer each question. Number 1. What causes sound? A. Light. B. Force. C. Vibrations. D. Instrument. Your timer starts now. Time's up. What's the answer? Very good. The correct answer is letter C. Vibration. Great job! Why does a pen look broken when you put it in a glass of water? A. It is broken. B. It is reflected. C. It is reflected of. D. It is being refracted. What is your answer? The answer is letter D. It is being refracted. Very good. Number 3. When you strum a guitar slowly, what kind of sound will you hear? A. Echo. B. Volume. C. Soft sound. D. Loud sound. What is your answer? The answer is letter C. Soft sound. You're great! Number 4. Which of the following is an example of light being reflected? A. Seeing a fish in a pond. B. Seeing yourself in the mirror. C. Seeing a pen looks broken in a glass of water. D. Reading your favorite books using your reading glasses. What is the answer? Very good. The correct answer is letter B. Seeing yourself in the mirror. Number 5. When you shake your coin bank vigorously, what kind of sound will you hear? A. Echo. B. Volume. C. Soft sound. D. Loud sound. What is your answer? The correct answer is letter D. Loud sound. Great job!
Did you have fun learning with us today, kids?
Great!
We have fun too!
I hope that you've learned a lot from today's lesson.
Always remember that science makes impossible things possible.
And learning science will be more fun if you have an adventurous mind to explore more.
Once again, this is Teacher Kenneth
And this is Teacher Giselle
saying thank you and goodbye!
TV, Milo TV.